Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a unboxing, specs, information video, as well as weights and measurements on this Ryobi 18V glue gun that takes mini sticks. It is a P306 model, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. So today we're going to be going over specs, information. We're going to take weights and measurements on this Ryobi 18V 1 Plus 18V compact glue gun. It takes mini glue sticks. Over 100 mini glue sticks per battery charge. It is item number 1005-559-357. Model number is P306. 305 is the full size, and then 307 is the new full size model. It has a high, a low, and an off. The original 305 has just an off and a high. This one includes 3 mini glue sticks, tool only, battery and charger sold separately, 3-year limited warranty. You got glue sticks right here, instructions, looks like the base, and it looks like it charges this off the base. Compact glue dash P306, precision tip, ideal for hobby crafts, upholstery, and general repair projects. Cordless, compact design for detailed applications and user convenience. Built-in drip tray for a clean working environment. On-off LED indicator light shows the tool is heating up. Says it's 18V model. Tool weight 0.71 pounds. Assuming that's without a battery. Compact glue gun, cordless power base. 3 mini glue sticks and operator's manual. So, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my, you don't need to check out that right now. I'll do that at the end. I'm sorry. Apologize. This battery is fully charged. It is a generic 4 amp hour 18V lithium battery. You also have the 18V lithium plus batteries and the 18V lithium plus HP batteries. Alright. So let's get this thing open. Cut this box up just a little. I am going to be putting it back in the box so my wife can do videos on it as well if she wants to. So we got the little main unit. This guy right here, which is the base. In the bottom, it's got your information booklets and everything. So it does come with the operator's manual. It comes with 3 mini style glue sticks. And these are clear, they're not opaque, they're actually kind of clear. And you also get the pack charging correlation supplemental chart as well. So we'll leave one of these glue sticks out. We'll wait with one of the glue sticks real quick. Okay. Move that out the way. So here's the main unit. This guy It's got 2 prongs. Set it right there. This right here is the drip tray. On, off. So, let's bring in the scale. We'll weigh these things individually. So, the little gun. It weighs by itself 6.1 ounces. Not much at all. The base by itself is 8.8 ounces. If we put this guy on the base, it is 14.8 ounces. So almost a pound. If we add this fully charged battery, just to look at it by itself, it's 1 pound, 9.0 ounces. Turn around, flip this guy, put it in. It is 2 pounds, 7.8 ounces with this 4 amp hour setup. It's 2 pounds, 1.7 ounces with just the battery and the base. So I wonder if there's a battery setup in here. You can put this guy on here. It's showing both are heating up. You take this off the base is still on, but this guy is not. Let's also put in a glue stick just to see what it weighs with the glue stick. I'm not going to feed it or anything like that in. So it's 2 pounds, 8.0 ounces with a glue stick. If we take the battery off, just weigh it with the glue stick. 6.3 ounces. So the glue stick weighs basically not much at all. 0.2 ounces for the glue stick by itself. .1 ounces with the glue stick and everything. So it's almost a pound just like this without a battery. I'm not sure how it works. I would assume, because you got to use it without, you got to use it like this. Well, this tip's warm, so it wasn't on very long. So I'd assume that the base heats this up, and then you have a certain amount of time that you can use it before the gun is no longer hot. It's a neat little setup. I'm sure it will come in handy for my wife. It's a nice little compact unit. Where is... Oh, there it is. So my measuring tape. The unit without a battery. So if we just... What is the height of the main unit? Alright. It is 3 7/8. So it's 3 inches and 7/8 of an inch tall at the highest point. At the lowest point, it is 2 3/4 of an inch. So 2 inches and 3/4 of an inch. The main unit height is 5 inches. The glue gun itself from the back to the front is 5 7/8 of an inch long. It's 1 3/8 inch wide with the unit on the base. Highest point is 6 inches. 6 1/4 is the highest point from the back. Highest point in the front is 5 1/2. 5 5/8. This tip is pretty warm. I wonder if it warms up and it's even though it's not on. I'm not sure. I didn't have it on very long. It was warm enough that I could feel it. It didn't burn me, but you know, it was only on about, I don't know, 20 seconds in the video. That's, it was warming up pretty fast. I assume the way this is set up is that this will reach operating temperature, and then you can just pull it off the base, go use it, drop it back on the base, charge it back up again, heat it back up. Nice little unit. The base is 3 inches is the widest point of the base. You know, that's all we're going to do on the video for this one today. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing I want to say, I appreciate all of you guys, everybody that shows up to the channel, whether you are subscribed, not subscribed, you like, dislike, you leave comments, people that watch the ads on some of the videos, people that use the affiliate links. It is all very, very much appreciated that you guys do that. The channel is now monetized, so I'm going to start doing head-to-head videos as well, and I'm going to be doing head-to-heads and demonstrations and demos, and you know, put recips against other recips, put, you know, hammer drills against other branded hammer drills. I don't plan on picking up any drills or impact drivers or anything like that from Ryobi. Who knows, maybe. I don't have the 40 volt system. I'm now in the 18 volt. I only got the 18 volt to pick up, you know, oddball tools that other brands do not have. You know, Milwaukee doesn't have a you know, a soldering station, and they don't have, you know, glue guns and stuff like that. You know, specific size fans. Nobody has an 18-inch battery-operated fan other than Ryobi. But I want to say thank you to everybody. You know, if you guys have any interest on seeing specific things, let me know in the comments. If you guys upgrade a Ryobi drill to like a new hammer drill, and you want, you know, to see what the old hammer drill, how it compares to other drills in head-to-heads or other hammer drills, you know, feel free to contact me on my email that's in the information on the channel, as well as you know, feel free to see, you know, try to send me a tool if you guys want to see anything specific. I would have no problem receiving tools to do videos on, and then I can send them back when I'm done with the videos if that's something you guys are interested in. Just go ahead and get a hold of me. I'll try to do the best I can to make the content you guys are looking for. And you guys can let me know what content you're interested in. But one last thing. So I have 18 volt Ryobi now. Maybe in the future 40 volt. I have DeWalt. 8 volt, 12 volt Extreme, 20 volt XR, 60 volt Flex Volt, and 120 volt Flex Volt. I have Milwaukee M12 and M18 brushed and brushless tools. I have Metabo 18 volt, Metabo HPT or Hitachi Power Tools, 18 volt and 36 volt multi-volt. I'm going to be bringing the new 36 volt Metabo HPT plunge router to the channel as well. Got Bosch sticks, 18 volt. I have Earthquake, 12 volt and 20 volt tools. Have Makita 7.2 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2, as well as I'm going to be bringing the new 40 volt and 80 volt Makita tools to the channel that just came out. As well as I got some, you know, lots of corded tools. I got some Bosch 18 volt core tools. Also have corded Black & Decker, corded Stanley, corded Porter cable, corded Bosch, and Makita. As well as I have some cordless skill saw tools And I have some cordless, and that's like 46 volt, I believe, for the skill saw tools. And then I also have some tools that I've converted. I've taken some pneumatic finger sanders and converted those to battery operated for Milwaukee M12. You got lots of tools that we can do demos and head-to-heads on. If any of that interests you guys, you know, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!